this is Shannon with the Greater Hot Springs Chamber of Commerce, and we've got Mara Kuhn behind the camera here, and I'm with Monroe Cranford, and we're at Flowers and Home and Cornerstone, and they've just expanded, and I'm here to check on him and check out the beautiful space, and he's going to tell us what he has going on.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming today. What we've done, we've actually been able to expand our space so that we can offer more opportunities for furnishings and accessories and lamps and lots of rugs and things of that sort. We, of course, we're still absolutely a full-service florist, and we excel both in the silk and in the fresh department of it. We've got big renovation, tripled our space, and it's just amazing. We have a lot of people coming in just to kind of see what's going on. They've been following us on Facebook, another great tool for us, and we'd be happy if everyone comes out. We have a large open house coming up on November 11th on the afternoon of Sunday from 1 to 4. Would be both our holiday open house and also the open house for our new space as well.
And I read that was being catered by...
It is being catered by Special Touch Catering here in Hot Springs.
That's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks for letting us come out.
You're welcome.
And it looks fantastic. I was in here a few days ago, and you guys, I don't know if you work around the clock or what, but it looks fantastic.
We pull together as a team and we make it happen.
I love it. Well, thank you very much.
Thank
and
you.
We'll be out in November.
Appreciate
Thank you,
it.
guys.